Hello everybody, greetings from Seven Sense Talent Solution. Today we will be talking about the company called PropTiger, which is offering a job opportunity for the freshers. And also we will be talking about how to apply for this job opportunity for in the coming days. PropTiger will be conducting a drive for the applied students. So uh, to move on with the PropTiger job opportunity, I will just update you few things. That is, if you join our Telegram and YouTube channel daily, you will get two job opportunities to apply, and also you can make the best use of it since there are more chances of getting selected also in these days due to pandemic. So now moving to PropTiger. PropTiger is one of the best, I can say, best golden company in the market today, which is offering the real estate business. So this PropTiger is offering a role called relationship manager for the freshers, and the salary is about 3 lakh with the incentives and travel allowance. So they are giving it very good salary for the freshers also. So they are expecting the skills from the candidates such as good communication skills and have to be very good in understanding the problems and all. So now coming to the job description, what you have is you have to be well versed in the market in the real estate business, and you have to be able to face the problems in the real estate business. So the date of joining, whatever they have given, is immediate. So if you are ready to join immediately, you are welcome to join. Then the mode of joining is virtual, which is a very good thing which has been given by the company due to the pandemic. So the education qualification they are offering, what they are saying is they want the MBA candidates. So this is applicable for MBA graduates with a specialization of having the sales profile. The job location is Bangalore, which is a very good place to work. So interview process will be of 2 to 3 rounds. So now everything the company has given for a fresher to apply for this job role. So now we will see how to apply for this job role and make best use of it. So in this job role, there is the link are given below. The link and the promo code has been given below. So you can click the link as well as you can copy the promo code, and you can get this job at a free of cost. So if I click on the link, it will directly take me to the page where we can apply for this job. So click on add to cart. So then click on checkout. Then again click on next. So here you have to write your full name and your number so that we can contact you in the future if you are getting selected for the next round of the interview. So here it will ask you the promo code. So please type the promo code, or you can copy paste the promo code. The promo code has been given below in the description. So after that you should click on apply. So as you can see, you can take this job at zero of cost. So proceed to payment, click on that. So 1 minute. So if this problem arises, you can go to the link again and click on the link. So you can start, since we have already purchased it, we can start again. So here are the few links which has been given here, and also these links have been given in the description also. You can click on that and take the opportunities every day. In our Telegram channel, we'll be posting 2 posts every day. So if you click on about the company, you will get to see the profile of the company as well as the designation, what it is offering for the freshers, and the expectations from the candidates, job description, date of joining, mode of joining, educational qualification, job location, salary, interview process. So they are asking you to upload the CV or the resume. So you have to click choose file and upload your CV. Then after uploading your CV, you have to click on submit assignment. So your CV will be recorded with us. Then they are asking you to upload a photo of yourself so that company can make use of it. After uploading the photo, please click on submit assignment and then go to the next one. So here it is asking 2 minutes of video on the question, why are you interested in the role at PropTiger? So here you have to make your video for 2 minutes explaining why are you interested in this job role, and you have to upload this video and click submit assignment. So at last the registration form is there. So this is very important to fill it, because the data will be directly sent to the company. It is very important to fill here. So you can fill your email address, your roll number or the registration number. You can fill it. Full name and your mobile number. Please, you have to fill your mobile number carefully without making any mistakes. Your degree name, MBA, since this are job opportunities for the MBA students. Your specialization, MBA. Then your college name, and 10th percentage. What was your 10th percentage? What was your 12th percentage, and your degree percentage? I mean, degree in the sense what degree, what bachelor's degree you have done. That percentage has to be entered here, or the CGPA of that, and the PG percentage. What was your CGPA in the PG degree, that is MBA. So write your communication skills. So you have to rate yourself. Then do you have strong geography knowledge of Bangalore? Yes. So are you ready to join immediately? Yes. So they are asking, did you upload 2 minutes of video? Previously I showed you to upload 2 minutes of video of yourself explaining why are you interested in this job role at this company. So make yourself a 2 minutes of video and please upload it, and then click yes, then click on submit. Your response will be recorded with us. So the response will be directly sent to the company as well. So if you like this video and if you are interested to apply for this job role at PropTiger, please do apply and make the best use of it, because soon there will be a drive conducted by the PropTiger where you can have a better opportunity and a better salary also. Thank you again for one and all, and we'll be hoping some more videos tomorrow or in the coming days, which will be uploading it in our YouTube channel. So please do subscribe to our channel as well. So thank you.